sensor, and we are using buzzer and 2 red LEDs in this project. The components are Arduino Uno microcontroller, PIR sensor, buzzer and 2 red LEDs. If the child movement is detected through the PIR sensor, then 2 red LEDs will on and the buzzer on as an alert for the indication of